Good morning, good afternoon and good evening to every viewer here. My name is Yash of grade 11 and I am standing for the position of school pupil leader. And before I continue with this, I would like to tell a small incident about how I even made this speech in the first place. So, in last Sunday, around 3 a.m. in the morning, I planned on making this speech. So, the first thing I did was wanted to ask my brother for help, hoping that he would help me. But when I went into his room asking for help, he just told me to get out. So I concluded that I was going to speak my heart out. Then I started thinking, why was I even standing for this position in the first place? I realized I hope to make the people of the school, the students, the faculty members and the teachers, everyone happy and satisfied with their day, with all the things I can do if I were to become the leader. A leader is just an ordinary person if it weren't for the people who supported him or her. And I would also be just another man if it weren't for you who supported for me. So, a leader would take decisions based on the voices of the people and their opinions. So, if I were to become the leader, I would hear your voices and opinions and take the decision after that. And second of all, I would take priority on extracurricular activities and outdoor periods and ensure that no outdoor periods would get cancelled. And this is for a good reason. We humans, the more and more we work, we get burnt out after a while. These extracurricular activities and sports takes our mind off this. Thus, this is our saving grace that gets us to the whole week. And before I could end this speech, I would like to say, and I can promise you this, I would ensure that all your hopes and needs would be satisfied under my rule. My name is RK Yashwadhan of grade 11 and my symbol is the blackboard. Thank you.